What happens when a pair of jeans becomes too worn to wear? For centuries, the answer was simple: repair them, patch them, use them again. But eventually, repair stopped being something to hide. It became the design. This is the story of patchwork jeans. A garment built from pieces, different colors, different textures, different histories, all stitched together into one pair of trousers. The concept begins with necessity. Denim is durable. It was designed to survive hard work. But even the strongest fabric eventually wears out. Knees tear, pockets weaken, hems fray, and holes appear. Replacing an entire garment is expensive. Repairing one damaged area is much cheaper. So people patched worn clothing. A piece of fabric was placed over the damaged section, then sewn into position. The repair extended the garment's life. The patch did not need to match. It only needed to work. This created the earliest form of patchwork denim. Practical, uneven, and completely unconcerned with fashion. Then something changed. People began noticing the visual character of repaired clothing. Different shades of denim created contrast. Visible stitches created texture. Irregular patches created individuality. The damage became part of the garment's history. This idea became especially important in counterculture. During the 20th century, young people increasingly rejected mass-produced clothing. They customized garments, painted them, embroidered them, cut them, patched them, and reconstructed them. Clothing became a form of personal expression. Denim was particularly suitable. It was durable, widely available, and relatively easy to modify. Old jeans could be cut apart. The fabric could be reused. Different denim pieces could be combined. And the result could become something completely new. This was the beginning of patchwork as an intentional fashion technique. The hippie movement embraced handmade clothing. Patchwork garments appeared alongside embroidery, tie-dye, natural fabrics, and handmade accessories. The visual message was clear. Mass production was not the only way to create clothing. Then punk culture introduced another interpretation. Punk fashion embraced visible construction, safety pins, torn fabrics, raw edges, contrasting materials, and aggressive customization. Patchwork denim fit naturally into this aesthetic. The seams were visible, the repairs were obvious. The garment did not pretend to be perfect. Imperfection became part of the design. This idea would eventually influence mainstream fashion. But the construction of patchwork jeans is more complicated than simply sewing pieces together. The first challenge is fabric selection. Denim comes in different weights, different washes, different levels of stretch, and different fiber compositions. Combining them can create problems. A heavy raw denim panel behaves differently from lightweight stretch denim. One piece may shrink more than another. One may stretch, another may remain rigid. The designer must therefore consider how the fabrics will behave together. The direction of the twill weave also matters. Denim is traditionally constructed with a diagonal twill. The direction of that weave can affect the appearance of each panel. Rotating panels can create subtle visual changes. This means patchwork is not simply random. It can be carefully planned. Panels can form geometric patterns, stripes, squares, triangles, asymmetrical shapes, or completely irregular compositions. The seams then become part of the visual language. Contrast stitching can make them obvious. Matching thread can make them subtle. Heavy reinforcement can create a workwear appearance. Decorative stitching can move the garment toward luxury fashion. Even the edges matter. A clean seam creates a polished appearance. A frayed edge creates a distressed aesthetic. A raw edge can emphasize the reconstructed identity of the garment. The same basic technique can therefore create radically different results. The rise of sustainable fashion added another dimension. Patchwork naturally connects with reuse. Instead of discarding damaged jeans, the fabric can be recovered. Instead of using only new denim, manufacturers can combine existing materials. This is often called upcycling. The objective is not simply recycling the material into fiber. The original garment remains recognizable. Its history becomes part of the new garment. This is particularly powerful with denim. Old jeans contain wear patterns, fading, creases, abrasion, and discoloration. Each mark records how the previous garment was used. When those pieces are incorporated into new jeans, the new garment contains fragments of several histories. A pocket from one pair, a knee panel from another, a faded section from a third. The result is effectively a textile collage. Designer fashion eventually recognized the potential. Patchwork denim moved from homemade customization into professional fashion collections. Designers began creating carefully engineered versions. The garments could feature hundreds of individual pieces. Every panel could be selected, cut, placed, and stitched. The process becomes highly labor-intensive. A conventional pair of jeans may require dozens of construction operations. A complex patchwork version can require dramatically more. Every additional panel creates another seam. Every seam creates another potential stress point. so reinforcement becomes important. Industrial sewing machines, heavy-duty needles, strong polyester thread, and specialized pressing techniques help maintain durability. Modern designers can also combine denim with other textiles. Canvas, corduroy, leather, cotton, printed fabrics, and technical materials. This pushes patchwork beyond traditional denim. The jeans become a platform for experimentation. Color is equally important. Classic indigo denim creates a subtle patchwork effect. Contrasting black and blue creates stronger geometry. White denim creates a brighter appearance. Gray denim creates a neutral palette. And brightly colored fabrics can turn the garment into something closer to wearable artwork. The cultural meaning has changed as well. Originally, a patch meant something was damaged. Later, a patch meant something was customized. Today, a patch can mean something was intentionally designed that way. That transformation is significant. It represents a broader change in attitudes toward imperfection. Fashion once tried to hide repairs. Contemporary fashion often celebrates them. Visible seams, raw edges, fading, distressing, and reconstruction can all become desirable. The garment's history is no longer necessarily hidden. It becomes part of the aesthetic. Modern technology has expanded the possibilities. Digital pattern making allows designers to map complex panel arrangements. Computerized cutting can reduce material waste. Laser finishing can create controlled distressing. And digital embroidery can add highly precise decorative elements. Recycled denim can also be incorporated into new patchwork garments. Instead of sending old jeans directly into textile waste, the material can be given another life. However, patchwork is not automatically sustainable. The environmental benefit depends on how the garment is produced. A designer can create a patchwork appearance entirely from newly manufactured fabric. That may look recycled without actually reusing existing materials. True upcycling requires careful sourcing and responsible production. The distinction matters. Today, patchwork jeans exist across many fashion categories. Vintage clothing, streetwear, workwear, designer denim, DIY fashion, and sustainable fashion. The silhouette itself can change. Straight leg, wide leg, baggy, skinny, bootcut, or cropped. The patchwork technique works across all of them. This flexibility explains its longevity. Patchwork is not really one specific style. It is a construction philosophy. Take separate materials, give them new relationships, then create something that could not have existed from a single piece of fabric. That idea extends far beyond jeans. It represents a broader approach to fashion. Reuse what already exists, make imperfections visible, and turn limitation into creativity. The history of patchwork jeans is therefore a story about transformation. A damaged garment becomes repair. Repair becomes customization. Customization becomes counterculture. Counterculture becomes fashion. And fashion eventually turns the entire process into an art form. The irony is almost too perfect. Denim became famous because it was difficult to destroy. Then fashion became interested in making it look destroyed. People once patched jeans because they could not afford replacements. Modern consumers sometimes buy patchwork jeans precisely because they look repaired. The economic necessity disappeared. The visual language remained. From workwear to rebellion, from handmade repairs to designer collections, patchwork jeans demonstrate that clothing does not need to be uniform to be beautiful. Different fabrics can coexist. Different colors can work together. Different histories can share the same garment. And sometimes, the most interesting pair of jeans is the one made from everything that was supposed to be thrown away.